Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will study about default arguments in functions. So before studying default arguments, let us try to create one function, and this function is very simple. It takes a character and an integer as an argument and prints that character that integer number of times. For example, suppose the return type of the function is void, and print suppose print s is the name of the suppose I say print print sir is the name of the function that prints a series that takes a character c and the number of times this character has to be printed. So I can just what do I write is that for integer I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, and then I say I plus plus, and then I say C out what? C out C. So this function is very simple. It is just printing C. See, it is just printing C in number of times, and then over here I just make a call to the function. What is the name of the function? The name of the function is print sir, and print sir I just want to print, for example, say suppose x, and suppose 5 number of times. Alright, then what let us try to run this program and see if it is running or not. Clean and build, and then if I go and run this application, see, it is printing x how many number of times? It is printing it 5 number of times. This is good. Alright, so I'll just remove it. But can I write print sir, and I just give this, suppose I just give a star, I just give one argument. Will it work out? Will it work out if I try to if I just try to clean and build this application? Will it compile? See, it will not compile. Why it will not compile? Because this function, that is a print ser function, it is taking two arguments. One is a character and the other is an integer. But this call to this print ser function, it is just giving one argument, that is just one character. So it will not it will result in an argument mismatch, and it will not find an exact declaration. So what I mean over here is that suppose I mean to say that if I do not supply the second argument, then you just print the character, suppose 5 number of times. So I just need to give a default value to n. Over here I just need to give a default value to n. Suppose I say 5. So now what does this mean? This means then when the value of n is not given, see, in this case when the value is fn is not given, then the default value of n will become what? It will become 5. So that is gonna happen in this case. If I just clean and build and run this application, see, this time it should run. I clean and build this application, and now if I go and run this, see, it is printing star 5 number of times. So over here you see it is printing it 5 number of times. So that means the default, so you can always give some value. For example, I just give the value over here, suppose 20. So then in that case the value of n will stand to be what? It will stand out to be 20. If I clean and build it, that means star will be printed how many number of times? 20 number of times. See, it is getting printed 20 number of times. But if you don't supply the second argument, then the default value of second argument is what? Then the default value of second argument is 5. I can also make a default value of this character. If you don't supply any character, then the default character is star. Okay, so now let us try to run it. For example, I say print sir, suppose I say hash, and then I say print, I just say print sir, and I do not give any argument. Will this program run fine? Let us try to see it. What will be the output? And just I for see out, let us add a new line after every output so that it is more clear to visualize. Alright, okay, let us try to run it. And once when I run this application, See, it is getting it is getting me this output. Why it is getting me this output? If I just okay, if I just take it, then you see this first line, it is giving the first argument is star and the second argument is what, 20. Okay, the second call to print, sir, is just giving the first argument, and then the second argument is defaulting to what? Defaulting to 5. So hash is getting printed 5 times, and then the third call to print, sir, is not giving any of the arguments. So for the character, the default is what, star, and for n the default is what, 5. So this is what is default argument in C++. Okay, so I hope I've made it clear. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and please do keep on liking and subscribing all my videos. Thank you.